All right, guys, we're taking you with us today. Road trip, Filipino food, goodies, snacks for New Year's. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this. All right, guys, before we get on our way with this little road trip today, I got those same two favors that I've been asking. I'm going to ask it again. If you would, please give the video a like and please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel a lot, and we're very grateful to those who have already done so, and we're even more grateful to anybody who would consider doing both those things today. So without further ado, let's get on with today's video. All right, guys, we're on the road today, and I got my better half with me.
Hello.
Tell them where we're going.
We're working.
We are going to Little Manila, Bergenfield, New Jersey since we missed Christmas and we had to work. Today we're going to go and get some cool Filipino treats for our New Year's celebration.
Yes.
You're going to be cooking some stuff, right?
A little bit.
What are you making?
Secret.
All right, guys. So we'll check in a little bit. Alright, guys, we made it. Bergenfield, New Jersey. We're gonna go to Red Ribbon and the Pinoy Market, and we made it. We have to wear a mask because Omicron is here.
Yes.
Omicron. So we'll check back with you guys in a few. I'm gonna get you some footage inside some of these stores, right?
Yes.
You have nothing to say? All right, guys. So we just got done. Stores were a little crowded today, right?
Yes.
Did you get everything that you wanted?
It's not all.
Where are we going now?
Tropical hut.
We're going to Tropical Hut. Stick around. Alright, so we just did Tropical Hut. What'd you buy in there? Some lumpia wraps, right?
Yeah, lumpia wraps.
And what are you drinking there?
Gina mango nectar.
Mango nectar. Good stuff. And you got some calamansi juice too, nectar. And we got some lunch combos. And we're going to show you the lunch combos and tell you what we got. I took some video inside, which you've probably seen already. And now we're on to the local supermarket because you need to buy
Shrimp.
And
Pork belly.
So stick around. This is getting interesting. Alright guys, so that wraps up our little road trip video to Mrs. and I. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Tagging along and checking out some of our frequent stops for Filipino goodies. Was the Pinoy American Market up in Bergenfield, New Jersey, right across the street from Red Ribbon, which that Red Ribbon, I might add, they had a note on the door that they're understaffed and they're hiring. You might have saw that, the hiring. As a result, they're so hurting for help up there that the selection, you might have noticed, was pretty slim. Nevertheless, we did get a beautiful cake that you saw. That is the Ube Overload Cake. Very cool. I'm going on a diet, by the way, after this. Too much cake, too much goodies. But you know what? We worked through Christmas, so New Year's we made special. And after this, I'm getting myself prepared for my upcoming surgery. So, hey, we appreciate you watching the video. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as we always like to say, wherever you are in the world, stay well, stay safe, stay blessed. Healthy, happy New Year to you and your loved ones. Again, thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you real soon in another video.